The Autonomous Emergency Braking, or AEB system, is designed to detect the vehicle ahead or detect a pedestrian in the roadway through radar signals and camera recognition to warn the driver that a collision is imminent and, if necessary, apply emergency braking. The driver can activate the AEB by placing the engine start-stop button in the on position and by selecting User Settings, Driving Assist, and AEB, Autonomous Emergency Braking. The AEB deactivates when the driver deselects the system in the User Settings menu. The warning light will illuminate on the LCD display when the AEB system is canceled, allowing the driver to easily monitor the AEB on-off status. Also, the warning light will illuminate when the ESC, Electronic Stability Control, is turned off. If the warning light remains on when the AEB is activated, we recommend to have the system checked by your Genesis dealer. The driver can select the initial warning activation time in the User Settings menu in the LCD display. Go to User Settings, Driving Assist, and FCW, Forward Collision Warning, and you'll see the options for late, normal, and early. When early is selected, the initial forward collision warning is activated earlier than normal. This setting maximizes the amount of distance between the vehicle or pedestrian ahead before the initial warning occurs. When normal is selected, the initial forward collision warning is activated normally. This setting allows for a normal amount of distance between the vehicle or pedestrian ahead before the initial warning occurs. When late is selected, the initial forward collision warning is activated later than normal. This setting reduces the amount of distance between the vehicle or pedestrian ahead before the initial warning occurs. The AEB gets ready to be activated when the AEB is selected in the LCD display and the ESC, or Electronic Stability Control, is on. To enable the system to detect pedestrians ahead, the vehicle driving speed must be between 5 and 45 miles per hour. To enable the system to detect a vehicle ahead, the vehicle driving speed must be between 5 and 110 miles per hour. When traveling above 50 miles per hour, the AEB system only initiates partial braking. This is to prevent unintended full braking in the middle of the highway. The AEB produces warning messages and warning alarms in accordance with the collision risk levels, such as abrupt stopping of the vehicle in front, insufficient braking distance, or pedestrian detection. Also, it controls the brakes in accordance with the collision risk levels. On behalf of the Genesis team, thanks for watching.